Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy. So, today we are going to start a new topic, and the topic name is punctuation. So, in this, we will see what is punctuation, why do we need punctuation, and what are different types of punctuation. So let's start our topic. The English language has a system of symbols and signs known as punctuation. Why do we need punctuation? So punctuation shows us how to structure sentences and how each sentence should be read. Punctuation marks are used while writing to separate sentences or part of a sentence from another. Now we will see why we use capital letter. So look at the following sentence. The horses run fast. Now notice the beginning of the sentence. Here the word T starts with the capital letter because it is the first letter of the first word in a sentence. A proper noun always begins with a capital letter. For example, she gave the book to Mohit. So here the word Mohit is a proper noun as it is the name of the person. The pronoun I is written in a capital letter wherever it appears. For example, Amit and I are brothers. The names of days, months, and festivals start with capital letter. For example, Monday, January, Diwali, etc. The name of subjects are written in capital letters. For example, English, Science, Hindi, etc. And the abbreviations are also written in capital letters. For example, TV, PM, CM, etc. Now we will see where full stop is used. So it is used for the longest pause and it is used at the end of sentence. For example, I bought a cake. So here the sentence ends with the full stop because it states that what I have bought. Thus we can say that a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Full stop is also used after abbreviations or initials. For example, R.N. Pandey. So here you can see after R there is a full stop and after N there is a full stop. Now we will see the use of comma. So look at the sentence. My favorite fruits are mango and apple. Here there are only two items to list, that is mango and apple. Now look at the another sentence. My favorite fruits are mango, apple and banana. So here there are more than two items in the list. So we use a comma for separating them. Thus we say comma is used to separate three or more words in a list. It is also used to show a short pause in a sentence. It is also used after introductory words such as yes, no, well, hello, etc. For example, hello, how are you doing? It is also used for giving a short pause in a sentence. For example, a lot of people, young and old, rich and poor, met the saint. So here a lot of people, and then there is a comma, young and old, again comma, rich and poor, again comma. Now we will see where to use question mark. For example, how are you? This is a question. Now notice the symbol used at the end of sentence. It is called a question mark. So a sentence that asks a question ends with a question mark. It is called an interrogative sentence. Now look at some more example. For example, will you play with me? What is your name? Now we will see the use of apostrophe. So it is used to show position or relation. For example, a monkey's tail. It means the tail of a monkey. It is also used to show a missing letter in the shortened form of a word. For example, has not, we write it as hasn't. I am, we write it as I'm. Do not, we write it in short form as don't, etc. Now we see the use of exclamation mark. So look at the given sentence. Wow, what a cute baby. Now notice the symbol used in a sentence. It is called as exclamation mark. We use exclamation mark at the end of a word or a sentence to show strong feelings such as surprise, anger, or joy. So in this topic, we have seen what is the use of punctuation mark and where to use it. Let's recall what we have learned from this topic. So firstly, we have seen where to use capital letters. So capital letters are used with to begin the first letter of the first word in a sentence. In the proper nouns, the pronoun I, the names of days, months and festival, the name of subjects, and in the abbreviations. Then we have seen where to use full stop. So it is used for the longest pause. It is used at the end of a sentence, and it is also used after abbreviations or initials. Thus we can say a sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Then we have seen where to use comma. So comma is used to show a short pause in a sentence. It is used between two or more words of the same group. Then we have seen where to use question mark. So when a sentence asks a question mark is used at the end of such a sentence, and it is called an interrogative sentence. Then we have seen where to use apostrophe. So it is used to show possession or relation, and it is also used to show a missing letter in the shortened form of a word. And at the end we have seen where to use exclamation mark. So it is at the end of a word or a sentence to show strong feelings such as surprise, anger or joy. Hope students you understood the topic. Thank you.